Hello guys and welcome again. So today is the first day when we start to upgrade the bike with some accessories. So on the first go I think we start with something nice and easy, and I think we're gonna put some screen visor over the front cowl. Hopefully this is gonna look nice and nicely finish the bike. So I've got complete black tinted screen. I think this is gonna very nicely finish the bike. So we'll see how hard it's gonna be to put the screen on the bike. So let me start and see how it goes. What I've noticed, there's an Allen key, and I think we have to open two screws over here and take the plastic cover from that cowl. One. First of all, we're gonna loose. Yeah, it's loose now. One is out, and there's another one. Yeah, that's the second one. So yeah, looks like this one is just out. Let me put this back. Yeah. So this cowl was sitting over here, and then we have 1, 2, 3 more screws. 1, 2, and the other side 3. I think so. That's the same. I actually decided to cover the bike just in case I'm gonna drop something. I don't want to crash brand new bike. I'll be bloody crying. Okay, so there's one in the middle. One. I think that's. We have to turn the bike over here, get access to this one. Yeah, probably just lose the other one. Yeah, it's loose as well, so we can just unbolt them. Yeah, it's all loose now. The last one, probably we have to hold the plastic cowl because it's gonna fall and we're gonna scratch it. Okay. So the last one over here. Turn the well. Yeah, we have it, that screw. Jiggly wiggly. Yes. Okay, so there's some. Okay. It's held by some cable, I think, so that's for the lighting. I don't know if I have to just take it out or not. We'll see. What do I need? this goes over here. That has to click from this side. Okay. We need to add some clips. So that's the one. Clipping over here and clipping over there. Sorry guys, I had to just remove this because turns out it's more fiddly than I thought. So there's only small plug, you press that clip, unclip it, and then just you have to connect over here. Unfortunately, this is bloody made in China, so the fitting is not perfect, but we get there. Okay, so you have to just push those lips, push those lips under that top lip and just put the clips and screw in. Gently, because this is plastic, so I tell you, this is not the best fitting I've seen, so would I recommend it? I don't think so. Just probably look for some seller with very good reputation and just many good opinions that these bloody things fit properly, because in my case I wouldn't say it's the best finish and fit. Alright. Let me play with more with this. Right guys, managed to fit that bloody thing, I tell you. I'm not happy with the finish and fitting. It's a bit fiddly. This is a bit gap over here. It could be better. I don't know if I done something wrong, but I don't think so. This is how it's supposed to be. Alright, let me put this on the back and have a look. Simple job. It's a bit stressful. Couple bolts and such a fiddling problems, because this bloody part, it's not the best fitting, I tell you guys. Just look for the seller who has many good opinions that this bloody part is fit properly, because you're gonna spend time try to fit a line and you still won't be happy. But we get there. It is what it is. Didn't cost fortune, so has to be. Bit tight. not too bad. Could be better, but it is what it is. Genie. That's it. That's it, guys. Right. So there you go. Black screen visor. It's okay. For the money, it's okay. Would I recommend it? Nah. Because the fitting wasn't that nice. That's okay. Alright, so probably next video we'll put some tail tidy or some protection. Alright, see you then.